Bitcoin is officially broken out of this bull flag pattern. We've seen insane moves up, nearly testing structure resistance at $72,777. We're going to be talking about, in this video, our projection for what the all-time high break will look like. And I gotta tell you, I think it's coming sooner rather than later. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and as of today, we're 197 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades over the last 15 months. Multiple of these trades happened within the last couple of days. I'm talking a 5% trade win in Algorand, a 10% trade in Uniswap, a 5% trade in Optimism, and one last 5% trade win here in Filecoin. 4 trade wins this week, and it's only halfway done. Guys, if you want to get access to our official trade setups, you can find them at the tab here on the tradeconfident.io website. We're going to jump into the analysis here, Bitcoin metrics down to the Bitcoin emotional index. Live chart shows that we are back in excited territory. This happens after yesterday's drop. The emotional sentiment amongst retail traders is beginning to look more and more bullish again. Now, to clarify, it's not until we fall into neutral and especially anxious or fearful that things really turn bullish. So this little bit of a drop isn't too crazy, but the lower we are on this chart, the more bullish we are, and you're already seeing moves up in response to this. Next up, we're going to drop down to the Bitcoin Whale Smart Money metric. We still have a ton of short trade sentiment in the market, and this continues to increase as long as the price itself increases. At this point, we do expect some moves down, and I'm going to give you some price targets of what that's going to look like, but we're not too worried. Most often, moves up like this are going to result in a long period of consolidation and sideways movement as whales continue to accumulate for the next move up. Back to the website to check out the dollar cost average entry exit options. If we get a price move down, we're going to be looking for green bars to the downside like this to find potential dollar cost average entries. Very consistently, these green bars are the bottom of the market. So if you see one, get ready for a move up. Last but not least is the Bitcoin support and resistance levels. Our absolute top resistance right now sits at $73,835. This is Bitcoin's current all-time high. And as I told you earlier, we're looking to break this pretty soon here. I'm going to show you my support targets on the live charts. And as we head back to the tradeconfident.io website, next announcement, our live Inner Circle Zoom Hangout is coming tomorrow. May 23rd, Thursday, we're going to be going live with our members. If you want to find out more information, check out the Inner Circle Live Zoom Hangout tab on the tradeconfident.io website. Some insane member profit testimonials that we just got time and time again. You guys are spot on. Check this out. I took the membership last week and then listened to you guys on Ether Friday. You guys talking about how he thinks the ETF will be approved, and what do you know, Monday, all of a sudden, it goes from 25 to 75 and a massive pump. First wins profit paid for the subscription. Awesome win. First trade I joined as a part of Trade Confident family was an awesome win. Thank you. Guys, we really appreciate your testimonials, and if you have a testimonial, if you want to let us know how your trades are doing, feel free to email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com. or leave a comment down below. To start the live analysis, we're looking at this bull flag pattern. Most often, the breakout of a bull flag is going to max out at the top of the length of its flagpole. So if we copy this one and paste it, bring that bottom portion to the point of breakout here and move all the way to its top, you're going to see a target of $104,114. Now, if we head to the weekly time frame, you're going to see what's called a cup and handle pattern. Right here is the U shape that forms what's called the cup, and the descending channel pattern right here, which forms the handle. Cup and handle pattern, highly bullish, and most often when it breaks out, as it already has, it's going to pump halfway the height from the top to the bottom of the cup. Conveniently, this is already mocked up by the bull flag, and you can see how high that previously went. On the weekly time frame, we have whale money low, we have trades in favor low, showing a 65% chance of a pump. This combination is highly bullish, and if we get a buy signal, all three of these will combine to see significant moves to the upside. This is the bullish trifecta, and in fact, It's the entry conditions that we use to enter our trade setups. I'll show you the stats on what this looks like a little bit later, but I wanted to show you that bullish point as well. Next, I want to show you Ethereum USD on the 1-day time frame. Major bullish news: Ethereum ETF confirmed, VanEck Spot Ether ETF listed by DTCC. The VanEck ETF is currently designated inactive on the DTCC website, meaning it cannot be processed until it receives the necessary regulatory approvals. Now, it is important to show that it's not yet approved, but last time when Bitcoin started its ETF approval, it needed that DTCC listing first. Now, when the Bitcoin ETF posted, shown by this yellow line, we saw a pretty significant drop in price. This was a little bit of a surprise. It was more of a buy the rumor, sell the news type event, but afterwards, the entire market saw massive pumps. As we can see here, from the absolute bottom to the top was an 87.85% move up over a period of nearly 50 days. Now, this is on Ethereum based on Bitcoin's ETF release. I don't think Bitcoin's going to be affected nearly as much as Ethereum will be on its own ETF release. But I think it's important to show that the rest of the crypto market will likely be highly bullish. Now, in today's video, I talked about a possible move upwards of $104,000. I do not expect that anytime soon, and I'm not making that price prediction yet. Right now, we're just looking at when we're likely to break the all-time high of Bitcoin. And I'm here to tell you, if the Ethereum ETF moves forward, if we get an approval, I think we could see very significant moves to the upside, easily breaking the all-time high. We're not even that far away. In fact, I'm just going to move our current resistance up to that level. We're at $70,450 at the time of recording. This is only $3,000 away. This is not that much money for Bitcoin. We move this much on a daily basis all the time. And if an ETF approval comes out, you saw how significant this green bar was to the upside. Whales are going to be buying and buying and buying. This is a massive win for the crypto market if it goes through. So with that in mind, if the Ethereum ETF is approved, I think we're going to break the all-time high this week. However, if it's rejected, I think we're going to see moves down as far as $66,000. Let me show you the support real quick. This sits at our previous short squeeze, that same level, and intersects with our descending support level. I think this is where we would drop if the Ethereum ETF is rejected. And at that point, it could take much, much longer. It also depends on whether the SEC is absolutely rejecting or just simply delaying the Ethereum ETF. Either way, though, I think a drop for a next move up on Bitcoin is likely as whales consolidate and look to buy back in at this level. If the price drops to 66,000, we want to see whale money low. We want to see trades in favor low with at least a 75% chance of a pump, and we're going to want to see a buy signal. And if we get all three of these, once again, that's the bullish trifecta and could be a great potential entry back into the market for Bitcoin. Now, these indicators, the TC top and bottom finder, price versus whale money flow, and trades in favor indicators have been proven 85% accurate when this signal posts. If we view the performance record, each of these green cells is a win. We see 4% wins, 10% wins, 15% wins. And because we're expecting larger moves in the market incoming, we're going to be taking larger and larger profits. 84.26% of the time, we did not need risk management. 0 buy limits were hit. And this means about 85% of the time, our indicators here from Trade Confident are making wins almost immediately. Risk management comes in for that full 100% win rate though. 15% of the time, risk management is picking up those buy limits, buying lower, and bringing us into profit sooner, significantly increasing our profit potential as well. This is the power of the Trade Confident strategy. And if you want to get access to our trade setups, future forecast coaching videos every Tuesday and Friday, live metrics across 40 coins, morning brew, morning analysis, massive discounts on our indicators, and of course, access to our live Inner Circle Zoom hangout tomorrow. And if you want to snag these indicators for yourself, links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. Membership is going to be the first link. Click that and it'll bring you to our membership page. $65 a month, everything I just showed you and more is yours. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and once you have your membership, you're going to want to click the second link for the indicators. Pro Indicator page, scroll down, and the Pro Indicator pack is what you're looking for. Members, your first $150 off can be found with the coupon codes at this link. Snag those, click Pro Indicator Pack, go ahead and scroll down and click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we are so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you tomorrow for our Inner Circle live Zoom hangout. Don't miss out.